In this video, I'll show you how to archive a repository on GitHub. First, sign into your GitHub account and open the repository you want to archive. Next, click the Settings tab at the top of the repository page. Scroll down until you reach the Danger Zone section near the bottom of the page. Now, find the Archive this repository option and click Archive this repository. GitHub will display a confirmation message explaining what happens when a repository is archived. While archived, the repository becomes read-only, and no new commits, issues, or pull requests can be added. After that, confirm your decision by clicking I understand the consequences, archive this repository. Once confirmed, GitHub will archive the repository immediately. Finally, if you ever need to make changes again, you can return to the repository settings and choose Unarchive this repository to restore it to its normal state. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to archive a repository on GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.